Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to the Web Application Penetration Testing and Secure Coding. This is the video number 18 and in this video we will see PHP Basics Part 1. To go further in this course and understand attacks, we need to have basic understanding of server-side languages. So we will start with learning basic concepts of PHP, which will help us to understand vulnerabilities in a web application. PHP is an acronym for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is server-side language. Means PHP scripts are executed on server and result returned to the browser as a plain text HTML. PHP is a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. PHP is open source and free language. It is widely used. For example, WordPress and Facebook runs on PHP. So you can imagine how powerful this language is. As I shown in a video number 7, we already installed XAMPP on our Ubuntu machine. And XAMPP already comes with the PHP, so no need to install PHP once again. So if you want to watch that XAMPP installation video, please click on the I button above. Now let's look at PHP file. So PHP file has the extension .php. PHP files can contain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP code executed on server and result is returned back to the browser as a plain text HTML. Let's first write hello world program. For that, let's go to our Ubuntu machine. This is our Ubuntu machine. First, we need to go to the web directory and we have installed XAMPP, and for XAMPP the web directory is /opt/lamp/htdocs. Let's go there. So this is a web directory for XAMPP and we need to place our PHP files into this directory. Now in the htdocs, let's create a new directory for our hello world program. Sudo make directory hello world. Let's enter your password. Okay, we have created a hello world directory. Let's go inside the hello world directory. So in this directory we need to create a PHP file. Let's create a file and give that a .php extension. Sudo touch index.php. Let's check that. Okay, so we have created index.php file. Now let's write our PHP code into this index.php file. For this, I will use Sublime Text. You can use any code editor of your choice. I have my Sublime Text in a downloads directory, so let's go there. Let's open Sublime Text. Give your password. Okay, so this is a Sublime Text and this is a web directory for XAMPP. Let's go to our hello world directory and index.php. Let's write some PHP code. Let's save the file. Now this is our PHP code. I'll come back to this code in a moment. First let's execute this code. But before executing, make sure your XAMPP control panel is running and your Apache web server is also running. Then open Firefox web browser. Let's go to the localhost /hello world/index.php, and as we can see, hello world is printed onto the screen. Let's go back to our code. This is our code. PHP code starts with this <sign, question mark, then PHP, and PHP code ends with this question mark and greater than sign. And if you want to print hello world, we use a built-in function echo which is available in PHP, and we put the text which we wanted to print on the screen in the double quotes. Okay, so we wanted to print hello world, so we put that into the double quotes, and statement in PHP ends with a semicolon. So this was just our simple hello world program. Let's do summary of our hello world program. First of all, default file extension for PHP files is .php and we need to place that file into the web directory, and for XAMPP the web directory is /opt/lamp/htdocs. Now let's look at our hello world program. Less than question mark PHP. So our PHP script starts with this question mark greater than sign, and our PHP script ends with this. We use echo double quotes hello world double quotes and semicolon. So echo is a built-in PHP function which output text hello world on a web page, and PHP statements end with a semicolon. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts, then please let me know on my email, or you can tweet me at Vikram Salunke 20. Thank you.